I have a story, but my story is no good unless I reach down and help other people. I know how to help other people. And in the same process, people are helping me. So as I get better, if God allows me to live, I will continue to help other people. I can't just sit in my apartment like everybody else. I have an elaborate cable, but it's boring because it does nothing to me. I get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I still get up my biological clock. And I'm in the bed at 9 o'clock. I don't watch late TV. I don't hang out. I don't go to the clubs. And I have a structured life. And as long as I stay in that perspective, I'll be fine. But it's not hard. You know? And in that, there's a lot of space in there to help other people. Because my story would be a waste. I've been there, so I know how I can help people to achieve to get from under that. And that's where I am today. People come here early in the morning. Some of them don't want to leave. You know, it's comfortable. They feel, you know, at home.
That's my little chamber. That's my little haven right there. You know, when all else fails, I got home. Knowing that that people care, you know, helps. You know, because then, you know, it kind of give you something to drive on. You know what I'm saying?
Everything is just not going to be handed to you. Life is not that way. It's not meant to be that way. But when you stand up for yourself and you say, I think I can do this, you know? I think that I'm not embarrassed or ashamed anymore to ask for help. And I believe personally there's a spiritual component to being a human being. And I believe when we tap into that, that's when our higher power shows up. And everybody has played a part of it. You guys are playing a part of it. We're playing a part of it. It's the collective that has strength and power. So home, a key, security, equity, equality, unity, all of those things come to mind. And this is a way that we get to tell you and show you our appreciation, our gratitude. Because we probably wouldn't have been able to do this by ourselves. And for some of us, we probably wouldn't be alive.
Miriam's Kitchen is a family. It's a community. It's a path to the right path.
It's a place where I'm safe, where I can let down my guard, where I can be myself.
Family, home again, it's community.
It's security and comfort and family.
A place that is safe, that is welcoming, that is warm.
You can just be yourself, you relax.
Security, it's safety, it's an investment.
It's giving a physical and emotional key to more people here in DC.
I think to be human is to be connected.
To be connected to something bigger than myself and to have compassion.
To have a sense of connection and purpose.
Feel that you are part of something special, that you are accepted as you are.
It's a chance to kind of share with others in a broader community where we not only take care of those we love, but have a chance to be impactful.
And a desire or a need to be part of a larger entity.
To grow, learn, give back, share, and be part of a community.
All of us are connecting with the larger humanity.
So many words are coming into my mind, and you say home. Complete.